Hello, welcome to 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 YouTube channel. In this video, I'm talking about how to solve Facebook content monetization policy problem. If your Facebook have problem not being monetized when it's supposed to be, and you're sure that you have not violated any of the Facebook instructions, you have not violated any of the Facebook policies, this is what you have to do. What I'm trying to say is this: open your Facebook this way, tap on the three dots at the right corner of the screen. Now tap on your professional board. If your Facebook tap on monetization, if your Facebook is still showing you not yet eligible when you're sure that you're qualified for the monetization in the and you're also in the country that has been monetized by Facebook, this is what you have to do. Go out for your professional board dashboard, then tap on help and support. Tap on help and support. Now tap on support inbox. Now you can report others, but you can check your alert. Check your alert in case you violate any of the any of your content is violating the Facebook policy. It will appear here. If you can look at this, you see that my own content has not violated any of the Facebook policy. Any video that violates the Facebook policy will be found here. So they say thank you for helping keep Facebook safe for everyone. So I've not violated any of the Facebook policy. The next thing I have to do is to tap on report a problem. Now go back to where you saw an issue and shake your phone. So what you have to do is to go back to where you saw an issue and shake your phone. Tap OK. So let me see I saw an issue on my monetization. What I have to do is to just shake my phone, then go back, tap on the report a problem again. Okay, let me go to monetization and shake my phone. Go back to help and support, tap on report a problem, tap on continue to report a problem. So now it's a technical report technical problem. Include complete logs and diagnostic in your report. Information about your device account and this app related to the issue that you're reporting will be automatically included in this report in order to help us understand and resolve the issue. You can further help us fix this problem by sending complete logs and diagnostics. This include information such as users activity log associated with the Facebook app. We will not use the information contained in this report for other purposes. So, reports about abuse or spam should not be submitted here. This includes things such as violence, criminal behavior, offense. It simply means that only report that will be submitted there should be reports concerned with Facebook and nothing concerned with offenses, crime, and others. It should be connected to Facebook. That is what it's trying to say. So tap on include. Then now you can select any of the problem here. Select product. You can select any of the problem here that makes you want to report a problem and report the problem. So you would want to report a problem about your monetization. So you can just let me see. Can take any of them. Let me see. On page, can talk about page. You can talk of video in case your video violated the policy. You can tap on video, then write your issue. Please, I do not violate any of the Facebook policy, or please, my video did not violate any of the Facebook policy. Upload from phone. You upload a particular video from phone, then you can now send. So guys, I hope this video was helpful If it was, give me a thumbs up and hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload video. Thanks for watching.